We are now at the site napkin.ai. And if you already have a napkin.ai account, you probably already know that Napkin allows you to take text or documents that you already have and turn them into diagrams. For example, we have a document here. We can take any of this document, we can highlight it inside of Napkin. We can then click on this lightning area to generate visuals. We're now going to click on Generate Visuals. It's going to generate a visual for this specific element. And in Napkin, we can choose the kind of element we want to generate. Once we've chosen the image, we can then choose the style of that image by clicking on the arrow. And we can choose a specific style of the image that we want. We can click on top of that image. That image will then be part of our document. When you see the image, you'll notice here that you have an export command. We can click on export. What you'll notice is that you can export into PNG, you can export into SVG, you can export into PowerPoint, and you can export to a PDF document. We're going to click on export into a PowerPoint slide. We're then going to click on download. You'll notice here that Napkin then tells us that the diagram that we just created is now PowerPoint ready. If you have Microsoft PowerPoint on your personal computer, you can then open the image inside of a PowerPoint document. And your image is now created inside of PowerPoint. Okay, it's with that. Thanks, and I will see you in another video.